Welcome to today's video. If you innovate, you may be leaving money behind. Most business owners hear the phrase research and development tax credits and assume it only applies to large tech companies or laboratories, but the truth is, thousands of everyday businesses qualify for R&D tax credits and don't even realize it. Manufacturers, construction companies, software developers, medical practices, even restaurants and food manufacturers. Today, we're going to break down what R&D tax credits are, why they exist, and how businesses are using them to recover thousands, sometimes even hundreds of thousands, of dollars. The Research and Development Tax Credit was created by the federal government to encourage companies to innovate, improve products, and advance technology. Simply put, the government rewards businesses that invest time and resources into improving how things are made, built, or delivered. These credits allow companies to reduce their tax liability dollar for activities related to innovation. And here's an important point many people miss. You do not need to invent something completely new to qualify. Improving an existing process, testing materials, developing software, or solving technical challenges can all qualify under R&D guidelines. Many businesses are already performing qualifying activities every day, but they just never document them properly. Let's look at some real-world examples. A manufacturing company might qualify if they redesign a production process to make it faster, more efficient, or more cost-effective. A software company might qualify for developing a new application, improving cybersecurity features, or building custom integrations. A construction company might qualify if they engineer structural solutions, test new building materials, or develop more efficient construction methods. Even food manufacturers or restaurants may qualify if they experiment with new formulations, improve packaging processes, or test shelf life stability. The key requirement is that the business is working through technical uncertainty and experimenting to find a better solution. This process of trial, testing, and improvement is exactly what the R&D tax credit was designed to encourage. The financial impact of R&D tax credits can be significant. Unlike deductions that only reduce taxable income, tax credits reduce your tax bill directly. That means if a company qualifies for a $50,000 R&D credit, that could translate into $50,000 in actual tax savings. For growing businesses, that kind of capital can be reinvested into hiring new employees, expanding operations, investing in new equipment, developing new products, or improving technology. Many companies use these credits as a strategic way to fuel innovation while strengthening their financial position. The problem is, most companies assume they don't qualify and never take the time to investigate. There are several reasons businesses miss out on R&D credits. First, many companies believe R&D only applies to scientific research labs or major technology companies. Second, most accountants focus primarily on tax compliance, not tax optimization. And third, businesses often don't realize that activities like engineering improvements, software development, product testing, and process optimization may qualify. In fact, studies have shown that billions of dollars in R&D credits go unclaimed every year simply because companies don't realize they qualify. This is where specialized tax incentive firms come in. By conducting a detailed review of your operations, projects, and development activities, it's often possible to identify qualifying work that was never documented for tax credit purposes. Let's take a simple example. A mid-sized manufacturing company spent 2 years improving the durability of one of their products. Their engineering team tested multiple materials, redesigned production components, and ran several prototype tests. They never considered this research and development. But when the activity was reviewed properly, it qualified for an R&D credit that resulted in over $120,000 in tax savings. And situations like this happen more often than you might think. If your company is improving products, developing software, engineering solutions, or optimizing processes, there's a strong chance you may qualify for R&D tax credits. The first step is simply determining your eligibility. At BBS Authority, we help businesses identify overlooked tax incentives and cost recovery opportunities designed to strengthen their financial position. If you want to see what R&D credits your business may qualify for, Visit our website, bbsauthority.com, to see what you qualify for in under a minute, or request a quick eligibility review. You might discover that innovation isn't just helping your business grow, it could also be reducing your tax liability. And that's an opportunity no business should leave on the table.